Good morning students. Welcome back to Max online class. In the previous class, you have learned distance between any two points. Today, I am going to teach the midpoint of a line segment. Today, I am going to explain that the midpoint of a line segment. In the previous class, I have given one problem as homework. Have you all completed? Students, take your homework note and check the answer. Exercise 5.2, the problem. So that the point 11, 2 is the center of the circle passing through the points 1, 2, 3, minus 4 and 5, minus 6. Here 3 points given. These 3 points I am taking as A, B, C. Next, center like that. It is the center like that we have to prove. Okay. Center like that we want to prove that. So I am taking this as P. Okay. This one P. Next here A, B and C. Distance D is equal to formula root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. First we can find out AP. Okay. We want to prove that so that the point 11, 2 is the center of the circle passing through these points. So it is enough to prove that AP is equal to BP is equal to CP. Like that we have to prove that. First we want to find out AP. To find AP, x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 2. x2 is equal to 11, y2 is equal to 2. So AP is equal to root of 11 minus 1 the whole square plus 2 minus 2 the whole square. 11 minus 1 the whole square is 10 square plus 2 minus 2 the whole square is 0 square. It's equal to root of 10 square is equal to 10. Next to find BP. Then we want to find out BP. Next x1 is equal to 3. Y1 is equal to minus 4. Next x2 is equal to 11. Y2 is equal to 2. Then BP is equal to root of 11 minus 3 the whole square. X2 minus x1 the 11 minus 3 the whole square plus 2 minus of minus 4 the whole square. It's equal to 11 minus 3 the whole square plus 2 minus of minus means plus 4 the whole square. Then 11 minus 3 means 8 square. It's equal to root of 8 square plus 6 square is equal to root of 64 plus 36 is equal to root of 100 is equal to 10 square. It's equal to 10. Here AP also, AP we got it 10. Here also BP also we got 10. Next we want to find out CP. C point is 5, minus 6. So x1 is equal to 5, y1 is equal to minus 6. Next P point is 11, 2. So x2 is equal to 11, y2 is equal to 2. Then CP is equal to 11 minus 5 the whole square plus 2 minus of minus 6 the whole square. 11 minus 5 is 6 square. 2 minus of minus means plus. 2 plus 6 the whole square is equal to 8 square. So 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 36 plus 64 is equal to root 100 is equal to 10 square. It's equal to 10. Here we got it. AP is equal to BP is equal to CP is equal to 10. Therefore, P is the center of the circle and passing through AB and C like that. We proved that now. P is the center of the circle and next what it is passing through the point A, B and C like that. We have proved that. Okay. Here only one problem. Exercise 5.2. 12th problem I want to be complete. 12th problem. The radius of a circle is with the center or the origin. Center is origin. Center. Next the radius of a circle with the center or origin is 30 units. Okay. Center is origin. Next the radius is 30 units. What is given? Radius is equal to 30 units. Radius R is equal to 30 units. Next what is given? Center is at origin. So center equal to O of 0, 0. It is the center. Center is O of 0, 0. Next, what is given? Radius is 30 units. Next, write the coordinates of the points where the circle intersects the axis. We want to find out the coordinate of the axis where the circle intersects the axis. Find the distance between any two such points. Okay. Coordinate axis where the circle intersects in the coordinate axis. This point here, here, here. I am taking A, B, C, D, like that I am taking. Okay. Let A, B, C, D be the point, be the coordinates of the points. The circle intersects the axis. Okay. So, the radius is 30 units like that given. So, OD is equal to 30. Here also 30 units. This also 30 units. Everything 30 units. This also 30 units. Okay. Next, what's the points of A, B, C, D? Point of A, B, C, D. We want to find out. The question is write the coordinates of the points where the circle intersects the axis. What are the points? Listen, OD distance is 30 units. You know that here everything positive, plus plus. Here, what's that? Minus plus. Next here, minus minus. Next here, plus minus. Is it plus minus? So what is the point A? Can you say A point is? Yeah, what's that? Minus 30 comma. Listen, it is in the x-axis. X-axis 30 distance. But the negative side. So minus 30 comma 0. We can take it minus 30 comma 0. Next, what's the point B? Listen, x-axis 0, y-axis 30, but in the negative side. So we can say take that 0 comma minus 30. Next, what the point C? The point C is, listen, x-axis 30 units, y-axis 0. So what we can take 30 comma 0. It is in the positive side. So we can take 30 comma 0. What is the point D? D. X-axis 0, y-axis 30. In the positive side. So 0 comma 30. Okay. Okay. Clear? Next we can take let A minus 30 comma 0. B 0 comma minus 30. C 30 comma 0. D, which one? 0 comma 30 be the points where the, which one? Where the circle intersects the axis. Where the circle intersects the axis. Intersects the axis. Next, what is the question? We have written, write the coordinates of the points where the circle intersects the axis. Next, find the distance between any two such points. We have to find out the distance between AB, or BC, or CD, or AD. Any two points we want to find out. Okay, shall we find out the distance between AB? Or AD also we can find out. Otherwise CD also we can find out. To find AD, x1 is equal to, what is x1? x1 is equal to minus 30. Next y1 is equal to 0. x2 is equal to, next AB means, AD means 0. x2 is equal to 0. y2 is equal to 30. Okay. x1 is equal to minus 30. y1 is equal to 0. x2 is equal to 0. y2 is equal to 30. Next, AD is equal to formula root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. It's equal to root of x2 value is 0 minus x1 value is minus 30. The whole square plus y2 30 minus 0 the whole square. Okay. 0 minus of minus 30 the whole square plus 30 minus 0 the whole square. Next 0 minus of minus 30 the whole square means 30 square. Next plus the next also 30 minus 0 the whole square means 30 square. It's equal to root of 3 3s are 900 plus 900. It's equal to root of 1800. It's equal to root of 1800. When we are factorizing, what we are getting 1800. First 10 table 190. Next again 10 table 18. Next 3 table 3 table when we are factorizing 6 3s are 18. 3 2 next 2 1. So we are getting root of 10 square into 3 square into 2. It's equal to root of 10 square is 10 into root of 3 square is 3 root 2. It's equal to 30 root 2 is the answer. Okay. So distance between any two point is 30 root 2. If we point out AB also will be get 30 root 2. Next BC also we will be get 30 root 2. Next CD also will be get 30 root 2. AD also will be get 30 root 2. Okay. Clear that? The next, the midpoint of a line segment. The midpoint of a line segment. The midpoint M. Midpoint we can say the symbol M. Midpoint M of the circle of the line segment joining the points A x1, y1 and B x2, y2 is midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. What is the formula for midpoint? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Clear? Midpoint M is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now I am going to explain example 5.12. Okay. You want to be thorough the formula. Midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now I am going to explain example 5.12. The point 3, minus 4 is the center of a circle if AB is a diameter of the circle and B is 5, minus 6. Find the coordinates of A. We want to find out the coordinates of A. Now here what is given? Center is 3, minus 4 and the coordinate of B is 5, minus 6. Listen. We can take, let the coordinates of A. We want to find out the coordinates of A. Let the coordinates of A be x1, x1, y1. The coordinates of A be x1, y1 and B is given. Next, given B is 5, minus 6. B is 5, minus 6. Next, we know that listen, center of the point 3, minus 4 is the center of a circle. What is given? The 3, minus 4 is the center of the circle, like that given. Center (3, minus 4). Okay. Listen, AB is a diameter of the circle. AB is a diameter of the circle. In a diameter, please listen here. Here it is a diameter. Next, center is the, which one? It is A, it is B. Now, center is given 3, minus 4. So, we know that center is the midpoint of AB. Here we know that the center is the midpoint of AB. Please listen here. AB is the diameter. Next, here it is given center is 3 comma minus 4. We know that center is the midpoint of AB. The center is the center of AB is the midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB. We know that the center of AB is the midpoint of AB. Now we know that midpoint A is x1 comma y1. Next B is what? 5 comma minus 6. What we have to find out? The point x1 y1 we want to be find out. Please listen here. Here center is which one? 3 comma minus 4. So midpoint of AB is equal to 5 comma minus 4. Midpoint of AB is equal to 5 comma minus 4. Midpoint formula what's that? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to 5 comma minus 4. Okay. Here x1 is x1 in place, x1 even we want to be right. And next x2 in place. x1 is equal to x1 only. What is x2? y1. y1 also y1 only. Next x2 is equal to coordinate of B 5. x2 is equal to y2 is equal to minus 6. x1 is equal to x1 only. A point is x1 y1. So x1 is equal to x1, y1 is equal to y1 itself. x2 B point is 5 comma minus 6. So 5 y2 is equal to minus 6. So we can take x1 plus x2 means 5 by 2 comma y1 in place, y1 plus minus 6 by 2 is equal to 5 comma minus 4. Okay. x1 plus x2 in place 5. Next y1 plus y2 in place minus 6 by 2 is equal to 5 comma minus 4. Clear? Any doubt in here? So what we are getting that? Please listen here. Please listen here. Here 3 comma minus 4. 3. Next equating x and y coordinate. We have to equating x and y coordinate. We get, listen, x1 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 3, like that we can take. Next y1 minus plus into minus 6 by 2 is equal to minus 4. x1 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 3. y1 minus 6 by 2 is equal to minus 4. Next, it's equal to x1 plus 5 is equal to, if you are taking here, 3 2s are 6. We want to be multiply. 3 2s are 6. Next, y1 minus 6 is equal to minus 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8 minus 8. The next one is equal to, if you are taking 5 this side, 6 minus 5. Next here, y1 is equal to minus 8 minus 6 when we are taking this side, plus 6. So x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the coordinate of A is A is 1 comma minus 2. Therefore, the coordinate of A is 1 comma minus 2. Any doubt? Clear this? Once again, I am explaining this. Please listen here. The point 3 comma minus 4 is the center. 3 comma minus 4 is the center of a circle. If AB is the diameter, AB is the diameter of the circle and B is 5 comma minus 6, find the coordinates of A. Now, We want to be find out the coordinates of A. We can take the coordinates of A, B, x1, y1. B is given 5, minus 6. Center is 3, minus 4. We know that the center of AB is the center of the diameter is the midpoint of AB. Okay, center of AB is the midpoint of AB. So, the center we can take that midpoint of AB is equal to 3, minus 4. Center is 3, minus 4. That is midpoint of AB is 3, minus 4. Next, midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to 3, minus 4. Here, x1 in place x1 only. A point we have taken which one? x1, y1. So, x1 in place x1. y1 in place also y1. Next, x2 in place 5, y2 in place minus 6. Now, equating the x and y coordinate we get x1 plus 5 by 2. x1 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 3. So, x1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Next, y1 minus 6 by 2 is equal to minus 4. So, y1 minus 6 is equal to 4 to 8. So, x1 is equal to 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. y1 is equal to minus 8 plus 6 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the coordinates of A is 1, minus 2. Any doubt? Now, I am going to explain exercise 5.3. The first problem, second subdivision. The first problem, second subdivision. First one you want to do as homework. Listen. Find the midpoints of the line segment joining the points 8, minus 2 and minus 8, 0. Listen here. Here we can take let x1 is equal to 8, y1 is equal to minus 2. Next x2 is equal to minus 8, y2 is equal to 0. Here midpoint formula, midpoint. What's the notation? M, is it? M is equal to, what's the formula? X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to x1 in place 8 plus x2 minus 8 by 2, y1 minus 2. Next y2 0 by 2. It's equal to 8 minus 8 is 0 by 2, minus 2 by 2. Here 1. So, it's equal to 0, minus 1. Midpoint M is equal to 0, minus 1. Then the third problem. Now, I am going to explain the third problem. Same first one, third problem. Find the midpoint of the line segment joining the points. Next, third problem is a, b and a plus 2b, 2a minus b. I am going to explain the third problem. Listen here, the third problem a, b and a plus 2b, 2a minus b. Here also we want to find out the midpoint. Now I am taking let x1 is equal to a, y1 is equal to b. x2 is equal to a plus 2b, y2 is equal to 2a minus b. Next, what's the formula for midpoint M? M is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Is equal to x1 in place a. Next, x2 in place a plus 2b by 2, y1 in place b plus y2 in place 2a minus b by 2. Here plus b minus b will be cancelled. Next a plus a 2a. 2a plus 2b by 2, 2a by 2. What will be get? 2a plus a plus a 2a. 2a plus 2b by 2, 2a by 2 will be get. Listen. Here 2a plus 2b. Okay, a plus a, 2a. 2a plus 2b by 2, next plus b minus b cancel. So, we are getting 2a by 2 like that. We are getting that. Next, listen here. Here 2 is commonly taken outside means 2 into a plus b by 2, 2a by 2. 2 to cancel. Here it's equal to a plus b comma a. It is the midpoint. What's the midpoint is? What's that? A plus b comma a. Clear? Any doubt in here? Then next, the fourth problem. The same subdivision, same first problem. Find the midpoint of the line segment. The fourth problem, I am going to explain that. Listen here. The fourth problem. 1 comma 2 minus 3 by 7. 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 7. And 3 by 2 comma minus 11 by 7. We want to be find out the midpoint. Here we can take, let x1 is equal to 1 by 2. y1 is equal to minus 3 by 7. x2 is equal to 3 by 2. y2 is equal to minus 11 by 7. Then midpoint m is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 in place 1 by 2. Next x2 in place 3 by 2 by 2. Okay. x1 in place 1 by 2. x2 in place 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 by 2. Comma y1 in place minus 3 by 7 plus y2 in place minus 11 by 7 by 2. Clear? Any doubt? Next, it's equal to, here 2 is LCM. Here 2 is LCM. So 1 plus 3 divided by 2, comma. Next here 7 is LCM. Minus 3. Next plus into minus minus 11 by 2. Clear? Any doubt? Here it is a like fraction. So we want to be add like this. 2 is common. So 1 plus 3. Like that we have to add. Here 7. Both also like fraction. So 7 is common. Next minus 3 plus into minus minus. Minus 11 by 2. Okay, clear? Next it's equal to 1 plus 3 is 4 by 2. Next this divided by 2. What is the reciprocal of 2? 1 by 2. So when we are multiplying 1 by 2 like that will be get. We want to be take, listen here. Here 3 plus 1 plus 3 is 4 by 2. 1 plus 3 4 by 2 into this 2 we want to be. Divide means take a reciprocal and multiplies it. So 2, what is the reciprocal of 2? What is the reciprocal? 1 by 2. So we have to be multiply 1 by 2. Similarly, minus 3 minus 11 is minus 14 by 7. What is the reciprocal of 2? 1 by 2. Okay. So we have to be multiply the 1 by 2. Okay. Next 1 2 is 2 2 2 are 4. Here also 1. Next 1 2 is 1 7 is 7. 2 7s are 14. Next 1 2 is 2. Here also 1. It's equal to 1 comma minus 1. So midpoint is equal to 1 comma minus 1. Any doubt in here? Okay, clear? Any doubt? First 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 7. This one x1, y1, x2, y2. Midpoint m is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Next x1 in place 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus x2 in place 3 by 2 by 2. y1 in place minus 3 by 7 plus y2 in place minus 11 by 7 by 2. Here what is the LCM? 2. 2 is common. So one like fraction we have to add like this. 2. 1 plus 3. Next here also 7 LCM. Minus 3 plus 2 minus minus 11 by 2. So 4 by 2 into 1 by 2. Next minus 14. Minus 3 minus 11 is minus 14 by 7 into 1 by 2. It's equal to 1 comma minus 1 is the LCM. Any doubt? Minus 1 comma minus 1 is the midpoint. Clear? Max homework. Exercise 5.3. First one, first problem. Find the midpoint. Easy problem. Now I have completed the second, third and fourth problem. Same like that you want to do the first problem. Next second problem. Second problem, it's a very easy problem. What is the question? The center of the circle is minus 4 comma 2. Center is given minus 4 comma 2. That we can take any one notation. Center M. Center is the midpoint, is it? Center is M. Next, one end of the diameter of the circle is minus 3 comma 7. One end of the diameter is given. We want to find out the other end of the diameter of the circle. This is same like that. Example 5.12. Okay, same like that. The question number example 5.12. Can you able to do that? Okay, please students do the homework problem. Learn the formula. If you are learning the formula means only you can do the problem. So learn the formula and do the homework problem. Thank you students.